Oh my gosh. Hello everyone, and welcome back to another Thrifted Transformations episode. Today we're going to be making over this red prom dress to be a everyday wearable sort of halter top. So I thrifted this dress at the thrift store for I think it was $5, and I had it for a week just staring at it because I really didn't know what I wanted to do with it. There's not a lot of fabric on the top, but there is a lot of fabric on the bottom. So I decided to keep the ruffle detail that was on the back of the dress and the diamond ring that was on the front of the dress to create something really unique. And I wanted to originally do something with sleeves, but I didn't have enough fabric. And if I made a halter top instead, then you can literally choose your own sleeves. Imagine how many options you would have. That's my excuse. Okay, so anyway, that was the design process. Now let's figure out how to make this thing. So I don't really show it well later on in the video, but this little part that I'm cutting off right now that has that V shape, I'm actually using this whole piece for the back. And I'm flipping the dress upside down to use the back of the dress for the front of the top. And then we'll take this trusty crusty Sharpie and use it to make a halter top. Well, I guess outline the halter top, not use it to make the halter top, because that wouldn't make any sense. And of course, we're going to use the fold in half method because that's the only way we know how to do stuff around here. It's kind of cute. I kind of like it. Okay, so as you can see, I used the front piece for the back. And now I'm just going to measure out how thick I want this turtleneck to be and cut this into strips. This is definitely dramatic enough. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be amazing. Yeah! It's excited. Yes. Too much. Okay, let's sew. We sewed the long piece of fabric all together, and there's a little square here. We're gonna leave a little bit out so that when we attach this part, we can fold this over it like that, so it'll be hanging out like that. See? How pretty. Oh my gosh, that's great. So we might actually hem this first and then put it in there. So after hemming the sides of the halter top, we're going to attach all of these little pieces into the neckline. So this part was definitely a change of plans. I ended up attaching more fabric to the sides because I am not as small as my mannequin is. She's not a true size 10 because I am definitely a size 10 and she's definitely not a size 10. So anyway, we just attached fabric from the bottom of the original dress to the sides, and then I tried it on to make sure that it truly fit me. It tailored it to myself basically, and that was pretty much it. But I did mess up because I cut the sides before I sewed it on, and that was a bad idea. Okay, so like I said before, we're going to attach this ring to the neckline. And remember how I said I cut the bottom too short and then I messed up and blah blah blah? Well, I took the very bottom of the original prom dress, which was already hemmed. I scrunched it up into a ruffle and I put that on the bottom of the shirt. I think it really added the perfect dramatic effect that I was looking for. It added a little bit of length. It gave me the V that I wanted, and I just really love how it turned out. Bonus: how to resize a skirt. Okay, so I found this really cute reimagined J. Crew skirt at the thrift store for like $3. Are you kidding me? But it was a size 6, and obviously this is not a size 6 because I am definitely a size 6 and this is not a size 6. Anyway, I took part of the prom dress and I put it on the sides of the skirt, and that was pretty much it. I really hope you guys love how this outfit turned out. I think it's the perfect fit for Valentine's Day, and honestly, I am in love. If I could do one thing differently, I'd probably do the neckline differently and not use the ring, even though I thought it was such a cute idea. But don't leave yet, the video is not over. We actually need some help deciding on our next video. Comment down below what you think we should do. And also, if you're late to the show, we have a Valentine's Day collection launched on our Etsy shop, so go check that out, and we'll see you guys in our next video. Happy Valentine's Day. Bye!